Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Reels on Instagram. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. I'm going to be showing you two ways. All right, the first method is the official algorithm reset, and the second method is by manually training the algorithm. So first method, again, official algorithm reset. So go ahead over to your profile and tap on three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and scroll down and find what you see. Okay, right here, or the what you see section. Tap on content preferences, and in here, as you can see, we have the option reset suggested content. So just tap on it and tap on next, follow simple prompts. I don't want to do it because I love the algorithm right here in my Instagram account. All right, so just follow the basic prompts, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Now the other option, let's go ahead and go back to the reel section right here. So let's say you play this video and you don't like it, or you don't like the message or the idea or whatever. Well, you can just go ahead and go to the bottom right, tap on this two lines, tap on it, and then just tap on not interested. Now, when you go ahead and find a video like this one, maybe you like it, well, tap on three or two lines, and then just go ahead and tap on interested. And the next time, or the next videos or reels will be the same as this content. All right. So that's basically it. That is how you reset the reels or the reels algorithm on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.